In this lesson, we'll use AWS Amplify Studio to import designs from the popular design tool Figma, and we can eventually convert those to React components. Go to UI Library within Studio. Then click Get Started. From here, you'll see a link to the Figma template. This is a pre-created Figma file with primitive UI components like buttons and inputs that are already pre-styled for you. There is also a components page which has pre-built UI components. You can build your own components here or modify the ones already there. For this video, I pre-built a Figma file remixed from the original Amplify UI kit for you to use, and this one has the components that you'll need for this notes application. Click Duplicate in order to use this. You'll be prompted to create a Figma account if you don't have one already, but this whole project falls under their free tier. You'll see that the My Components tab has notes built out and different forms, as well as the nav bar. Copy the link to the Figma file and then paste it into the Figma file link. Then click Continue. You'll have to give access to your Figma account. Now you'll see your UI components in Amplify Studio. You can accept them all individually or all together with Accept All. Now you can take these components and export them to code. We'll do a couple more things within Studio and then do that ourselves.